Hey everyone, so it's been a week and I was really hoping to be able to do this video from the racetrack, but unfortunately the weather has taken a turn for the worse and it's gotten really cold. So we're actually in my brother's garage because my garage is being renovated and I'm so excited about that project, but I'll show that to you on another video. Now what we're doing here today is we're actually going to do an unboxing of the RC8C track package, which I'm super excited about because we've been waiting for it for months now. Before we jump into the unboxing of the track package, I'd love to ask if you guys could please hit that like and subscribe button. It would really appreciate it. I can't even believe I'm saying this, but we're so close to our first 1,000 subscribers. I had no idea where we're going with this, when I first started just a few months ago, but I hope you guys are enjoying the experience and I hope you guys continue to enjoy the experience. So please hit that like and hit that subscribe button. It will really help the channel. So when I ordered the KTM RC8C last July 2021, there's actually two checkboxes. One checkbox was for the Spain experience, which you guys know about, which is when we went to Spain, to Jerez, for a track day with Danny Pedrosa and Mika Kallio to meet the KTM and the Kramer team, which was an incredible experience. But the other checkbox was for a KTM RC8C track package. Now, the track package itself is over 4,000 euros, so it's not a cheap package, but I think it was very much geared for any customers or any owners that had full intention of riding it. And as you know, I have full intention of riding the bike. The track package actually took quite some time to get here, so it actually arrived in customs last month, and for some reason it got turned around and shipped straight back to Austria, so they had to express ship it back to the 3 customers that were affected by it in North America, and it just got here 2 days ago, so it's finally here, so I'm super excited to open it up. Notice the martial arts themed poster. So quick story, so this is Jet Li's Fearless, this is Bruce Lee poster, and Jackie Chan Rumble in the Bronx. So my brother and I used to do a ton of martial arts, and every now and then we'll kick in here and move around a bit, so it's super fun. Okay, so here we are with the unboxing. Let's do it. Okay, so let's start with the small one first. The box was super damaged, but I think it'll be okay. It's just, anyways, so yeah. So this box here has a wheel in it. Hope you guys can see that. This is, let me see. Let's open this up. All right, I'm gonna try to pull this out. Sweet. So it's exciting. Oh, nice. So it looks like it actually comes with reins on it already, which is super awesome. I actually thought that there were just going to be rims without the tires on it, so this is a great surprise. One second. Should probably get a knife or a scissor or something. All right, hopefully you guys can see this. Whoa, look at this. This is awesome. So these are going to be Dymag forged aluminum wheels. So you see the Dymag there, and these are incredibly good forged aluminum wheels. Now obviously the RC8C already comes with them, but it's really great to see that the spare set is also the same set of Dymag. I believe the model is the UP7X forged aluminum wheels, which are the top of the line forged aluminum wheels from Dymag, which are made in the UK. Can you guys see that? It's the Diablo Rain SCR1 compound, which is the full race rain tire. So there's kind of 2 different variations. There's one with a little bit more space between the grooves, and that's called the medium tread, and that one's for like track conditions that are starting to warm up a bit, but not standing water. This, however, is made for riding in full wet weather, where it's like actively raining. What you'll notice is you've got these little grooves on the edges here just to channel the water even better. So that's really cool. So yeah, so that's fantastic to see. All right, let's move to the big box now. So we've got the big box. Let's get in there. And we've got a bunch of stuff in here. Let's start here. Oh shoot. So obviously we get the front tire, right? So the front wheel and the front tire, so that's good to see. All right, one second, let me see if I can put this down. Here's the front wheel. Of course, the other part of the Dymag. You got the Motormaster brake rotors, and you've got the other half of the Diablo Rain SCR1 compound rain tire, which is super sick. So again, really excited that it comes with these. I did not expect this. I thought it was just gonna be the rims. So I guess I just don't have an excuse to not ride in the rain anymore. And it's actually really convenient because in Texas, we get rained on a lot, like especially where I'm at in Houston. It's kind of a running joke at this point, but yeah, really awesome to have the tires that come with it as well. I mean, I think that, you know, riding in the rain, racing in the rain, it's a special set of skills to do that. And if you guys haven't seen the Austria GP from 2021, that round of MotoGP, you really need to watch. It's basically one of the craziest wins in MotoGP history, with the KTM MotoGP team taking the win, ridden by Brad Binder. And I highly encourage that you watch the whole race. Don't watch just the highlights. Watch the whole drama unfold, and it'll just kind of blow your mind. It was absolutely incredible race. I'll try to find a link to the race and post it for you guys, but don't cheat yourself out of the experience. Watch the race. It was just amazing. And it was a rain race, and it was just absolutely amazing. So watch it. Yes, finally. So the next thing are the stands that are supposed to come with the bike. So these are actually going to be the same stands. Yep, the same stands that we use in Spain already. So yeah, you can see a little bit of the wear, but yeah, it's basically the same set of stands that we used in the Spain event. So it's really nice because it was starting to get really irritating having to use the same set of stands for the R6 and the RC, because they're different widths and you have to constantly adjust them back and forth. So I'm glad to finally have my KTM stands. And of course, it's in KTM orange, so it's gonna look good with the bike. You gotta match, right? All right, so let's move on to the next one, or the next thing, which is tire warmers. Finally, yes. So again, I've been running tire warmers from my R6 with the KTM, and so now we finally have our orange branded KTM racing tire warmers. So that's fantastic. So front and rear, looks like it's actually got a couple of different settings in, so you can see this. It's got different settings for 50, 80, and 100 degrees Celsius, I'm sure. Yeah, so that's neat. It does have a tri-setting. I didn't even realize that, so that's great. That's the same thing with the Chicken Hawk Pro line. You can do three different settings, so it's cool that it has this as well. Let me see. Let's try to find out who the manufacturer is. Okay, it says Mark Pole Turbo Race, made in Italy. So yeah, so I think you know, it's an Italian-made tire warmer. I don't know how it's going to compare with the Chicken Hawks, but you know, it came with the track package and it's branded, so I won't complain. But we'll keep an eye on how good they are over time. It has a nice little package here as well. Boom, KTM Racing. I think we got one more thing. All right, this is awesome. Okay, this is awesome. This is our new ready to race mat. I like this a lot. This is gonna be cool. This is super cool. Love it. I don't think I even noticed when we were in Jerez, just because like there's so much going on, and you're just so excited. You didn't even like process like this thing was there. So this is an awesome mat to have. So yeah, I love it. Let me try to show you guys. Let me show you guys a better angle here. Yeah, look at that. That is awesome. Freaking love it. The RC will look beautiful on this mat. Right, so that's everything that comes with the track package. Just as a recap, it was a set of Dymag forged aluminum wheels. They're the UP7X 17-inch 120 front, 180 rear, mounted with the Pirelli Diablo Rain SCR1 compound full rain tire. Right, so it's ready to go for those situations where you need a rain tire. And in addition to that, you've got your KTM branded rear stands and front stand, as well as the set of tire warmers. And then finally, it's the track mat, which looks super awesome in my opinion, and it really completes the look. I kind of wish, you know, for the price, for how much we're spending on this, which is like 3,900 euros, which is I think like $4,500 US right now. I wish that it came with like a bike cover, you know, like a Tech 3 themed bike cover would have looked really, really good with the bike. But honestly, if you were to go and price out each of these things, right, they're pretty pricey, they're pretty expensive individually. And so I think at the end of the day, you're not really losing money per se, but you're getting a branded, you're getting all the branded goods, so it's gonna look really good with the bike. So, if you were to have bought the bike specifically for like collecting and with no intention of actually riding it, then it probably isn't really worth it for you. But if you're actually going to be tracking it, racing it, then I think having the track package is a no-brainer. So I'm glad I got it, and I'm glad that it's finally here after months and months and months of waiting. So that's cool. Just a quick update on a few different things. Next week, I'll finally be able to take the bike back out if the weather just gets back on track and the forecast is accurate. Friday and Saturday we'll be at the track just to get some more practice and seat time in, and just to really figure out the bike, right? I've only had a chance to ride it now twice, and there's still a lot to figure out. And then also the other thing that I'm really excited about is on Saturday, we'll be doing the CMRA racing license, and it's gonna be my first time doing a club race in, I think, 7 or 8 years. So it's been a long time, and I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be awesome to get back on the grid. I know I've got so much work to do, but I think this is the motivation that I've been wanting and needing. And so, I'm really excited to just work on my skills and just keep honing and keep be improving as a rider. And I'm really excited to share that journey with you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And then, please also, if you happen to be in the area or you're traveling through the area and we overlap on track days, let me know. Let's fit together, let's ride together. It'll be great to meet you guys. One of the things I love to do most now is just responding to comments and just having conversations with viewers. So if you're out there and you're curious about tracking here in Houston or in the area, let me know. I'm also able to host anyone at my racetrack for a private day, so just let me know as well. So shoot me a message. I'd love to hear from you guys. So the last thing is, please hit that subscribe button. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. It's crazy. It's so crazy and it's so fun. And for me, it's all about the love of riding, and I just love sharing that experience with people. I think it's just amazing that there's so many people out there in the world that have this shared passion. And so I hope you guys are enjoying the experience. I hope you guys are enjoying the stories. I hope you guys continue to be a part of it. So please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.